beginnings cannot happen without the introduction of new dreams, new perceptions. You have to begin to have new dreams, new visions, new perceptions for you to step into a new beginning. Isaiah 43, that's the same scripture. And from verse 19, just look at it there. Isaiah 43 verse 19. The first thing God said, after he said, remember the former thing, verse 18, neither consider you the things of old. God said, behold. The word behold means see or perceive. God said, behold, I will do a new thing. He said, now it shall spring forth, shall ye not know it? That realm of knowing it is a realm when it becomes a vision to you, when it becomes a perception to you. God says, I need you to perceive it first. It cannot happen until you have perceived it first. It is first of all conception before delivery. If we are talking about the delivery talks about new birth. But there cannot be new birth without a conception first. There must be pregnancy before there can be delivery. The pregnancy of your new beginning is the dream that you capture now. Without a dream in your heart, there is no hope of a new beginning ahead of you. You've got to behold it first. They say what you see is what you seize. What you perceive now is what you will see manifest tomorrow. Until you can perceive it and perceive it and perceive it, until it becomes so real on your inside, you never see the reality of it in your life.